Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Oxbridge English School Class 4. How are you all? Hope you are enjoying our classes. So today, as I told you that I am going to take BGS class. So let us start the class without wasting time. We will have this class of values and behavior, chapter 5. Open your book and let us start. So in previous chapter we have known about rights. Remember in school when you had chapter 4 you learned about rights. So let me give you a little bit again the idea to refresh your memory. The rights of citizens are three types of rights: social rights, political rights, and economic rights. What are social rights? Right to live, right to education, right to move around freely, right for religion, and right to language and culture. These are social rights. And then come for political rights, rights for election, freedom of expression, and then receive security. These are all your political rights. And then come to economical rights. Economical rights are earning money, enjoying own property, and enjoy time of vacation and holidays. So these three types of rights we can all enjoy as a citizen. So as a good citizen, we have some responsibilities also towards the society and the community. So today we will understand what are these responsibility. So you see that values, we have a responsibility to do good to each other. Doing good to each other is a part of good social behavior. We all must try to achieve this. So what is value? Values are core human qualities. Our thinking and behavior are guided by values. So what do we understand by core? Core means main quality. As a human being, we should have some main qualities in us. That is called core human quality. We learn values from our families, our community, and our school. So from where we get these good qualities? We get and learn it from our family, from our society, and then our school. So good values make a better society. So there is some examples. So what are the values? Now you know values means quality. So what qualities a citizen should have? Honesty, sense of justice, discipline, politeness. And what are the result of this? If you are honest, people will trust you. If you have sense of justice, then you will behave fairly with your friends. And then if you know about discipline, that means you will obey the rules and the work on time. Politeness is we are respected by others and we also respect others, no matter elder or junior. So now come to behavior. We can make a value-based good society to live together. Here are some examples of good behavior. Looking after younger children. So we have our younger brother, sister, we should look after them. So this is a good behavior. Respecting older people. That you know that we should respect whoever is older than us. Behaving well with neighbors. Helping those in troubles. People who are in trouble, if they need help, you have to help them. How you will help? You may help them by your physical involvement or by your economically. So many ways are there to help the people who are in trouble. So there are some activities. You read this and do these activities if possible at home. And then put a tick for good things or cross for things that we should not do. So once you read this chapter fully, then you will easily manage which one is correct, good thing, and which is cross for bad things. So turn the page. There is one example of a girl, Ripa. She has her so many activities. What you will do, put one right tick mark for activity which is good, with behavior which is good, and give a cross mark the activity which is not acceptable. So you will read all these things and put the marks in the side of the column. Okay, now here there is a table. I have already filled up this table, value and good behavior. Choose the values from here. The words are given and put it here. Like I have given kindness is a value, punctuality is a value, truthfulness is a value, and good behavior is helping others, consideration, and sharing food. These are good behavior. All I have taken it from these words given. And do this C and D, give a tick mark which is right. And here after this let us see one note I have prepared for you. Broad question and short questions. This is for you to learn and write. So I am reading it, listen to me, and then copy this in your homework copy. Question number 1. What is the difference between values and behavior? The difference between values and behavior is as follows. Number 1. Value means what we believe. Behavior means what we do. For example of values are honesty, sense of justice, discipline, politeness. And then behavior example is looking after young children, respecting older people, respecting neighbors, helping people in trouble, etc. Number 3. Good deeds are the base of values. Good deeds means good work. Conscience is the base of good behavior. Number 4. Sense of values encourages us to behave well. You see, I have given red mark in value. Value means qualities. So if we have good qualities, it encourages us to behave well. And in the behavior side, bad behavior destroys the sense of values. If you behave badly with others, so people will say that you do not have any values, sense of value. So never behave badly, it will destroy your sense of value. Question number 2. Give example of good behavior for each value. So you see, honesty. What is the example? Speaking the truth always. That shows that you have honesty, value of honesty. Sense of justice. Doing things which are good. Doing things which are right. Then discipline. Doing things in time. Politeness. Respecting elders and loving youngers. Sense of duties, helping family members and friends in doing various works. Cooperation, helping people who are in trouble. So these are broad questions for you to learn and write. So now come to short question also. There are some interesting short questions. You will understand it very easy, and it is very easy to learn also. So this is the thing. Number 1, whom does society consist of? Means society is made of whom? Answer, our society consists of parents, siblings, neighbors, friends, teachers, classmates, and others. Question number 2, what are the foundation of our society? Number 1, unity, cooperation, socialization. All these are foundation of our society. Question number 3. What are very important for building an ideal society? Answer. Values and good behavior are very important for building an ideal society. Question number 4. What do good value make? Answer. Good values make a better society. Question number 5. What is the result of